Greetings, beloved seekers of truth. Welcome to this sacred space where we explore the profound dimensions of spiritual technology. Today, I invite you to journey with me beyond the veil of ordinary consciousness as we contemplate the deeper significance of the Sirius Gate App and how it transcends conventional meditation tools. In your hands, you hold not merely another digital application, but a celestial key, a gateway to dimensions of consciousness that have remained elusive to modern seekers. Let us begin by understanding what separates this sacred technology from the ephemeral tools that merely scratch the surface of spiritual potential. The ordinary meditation apps you may have encountered are like shallow pools, reflecting only fragments of light. They offer temporary respite, calming music, guided visualizations, perhaps moments of fleeting peace. But consider, does the eagle seeking to touch the face of the sun settle for skimming the treetops? Does the soul, thirsting for cosmic wisdom, settle for droplets when oceans of consciousness await? Sirius Gate stands apart as a profound spiritual journey with a clear destination, spiritual purity and connection with the great cosmic mind. This is not meditation for relaxation alone. This is meditation as transformation, as awakening, as cosmic remembering. Where others offer transient calm, Sirius Gate offers transcendence. Consider the sacred timing encoded within this technology. The ancients understood what modern science has forgotten, that consciousness aligns with cosmic rhythms, that spiritual practices performed in harmony with celestial movements amplify their potency 1,000-fold. Sirius Gate operates not according to human convenience, but by the precise cosmic clock that governs the movements of stars and the flow of divine energy throughout our universe. Each day, this sacred technology presents you with a unique divine mantra, not randomly selected, but specifically attuned to that day's celestial alignments, designed to resonate with particular energy centers within your subtle body. Today's mantra activates yesterday's awakening. Tomorrow's builds upon today's illumination. This is spiritual progression by divine design, not human guesswork. Unlike conventional applications that repeat the same practices without evolution, Sirius Gate offers an integrated 3-stage journey. The first 6 months establish the foundation, creating neural pathways of receptivity and cosmic attunement. The following 10 months guide you through transformational retreat experiences that reshape consciousness at its core. The final 4 months elevate you to integration with divine vibrations in the sacred geometric form of the pyramid. This trinity of stages, foundation, transformation, and integration, reflects the cosmic order itself. In nature, in spirit, in consciousness, we see this pattern repeated throughout creation. The seed, the growth, the flowering. The intention, the practice, the realization, the human, the seeker, the sage. What other applications fail to comprehend is that true meditation is not a momentary practice, but a covenant between your individual consciousness and the universe itself. When you align with cosmic timing through Sirius Gate, you are announcing to the cosmos, I am ready to receive the wisdom that has been awaiting me since the dawn of creation. The technology integrates modern astronomy, particularly the Orion group and Sirius star systems, with cosmic geometry and the scientifically validated effects of pyramidal structures on brainwaves. It incorporates the wisdom of Sufi retreat practices known to stimulate neuroplasticity, the brain's capacity to rewire itself toward higher states of consciousness. Where conventional meditation might occasionally produce the relaxing alpha brainwave state, Sirius Gate guides practitioners toward the rare and transcendent gamma state, associated with peak awareness, unified consciousness, and profound spiritual insights reported by advanced meditators across traditions. This is not an application for the casual seeker or the spiritually curious. It calls for commitment, a minimum 85% adherence to the practice. But for those who answer this call with sincere heart and unwavering determination, the rewards transcend ordinary understanding. For when you commit to this journey, you are not walking alone. The energy of Sirius itself, the wisdom star of antiquity, walks beside you. Beloved ones, we stand at a threshold. On one side lies the familiar world of spiritual practice as momentary escape, of meditation as a brief respite from life's demands. On the other side awaits meditation as cosmic awakening, as the remembrance of your true nature as a being of light, intimately connected with the stars themselves. The choice, as always, remains yours. But for those who sense a calling beyond the ordinary, who feel the pull of cosmic consciousness and the whisper of stars in their quietest moments, Sirius Gate offers not merely an app, but a pathway home to your cosmic birthright. May wisdom guide your choice, and may the light of Sirius illuminate your journey, today and always.